today, 7 July. Nothing, no missed call.
You mean your friends?
You're just saying friends. I mean, 39 boyfriends.
What?
Wait, don't be
39?
Yes, they are 39.
Are you kidding me?
39, fresh and neat.
Hey!
Smooth. Let me just tell you something. I have 28 years. Oh my God. So you need help up to 20.
Hey!
I'm even planning to make it for one of my friends. This friend of yours. I'm even talking some. I'm even telling you what that I need money. Look at my phone.
20 Yahoo boys. 39 this one. Now.
How can I have just 39 friends for you?
Baby. I heard today is a birthday, right? I'm here to surprise you. That's my baby. Thank you. Oh yeah, and this. Open your eyes. What a surprise! Take it to me. Baby, don't say no.
Is this a joke or what? Rakuzi.
Hey,
Even on my birthday.
Hey.
Comedy on my birthday, Rakuzi.
This is not a comedy. This is not a comedy.
I can't take this. Just hold this phone for me.
No.
Hold this phone now.
Calm down, what is it now?
Expensive loose flower.
God, loose flower. I don't even know.
Babe, I know you are saying this.